What's up, you guys? Today I am doing a little vlog style type video. I am on my way to Starbucks right now because I have been hearing that there's a new Starbucks drink, and I said, new Starbucks drink? Girl, you know I'm there. So I found out that there's this new drink called the Cloud Macchiato, and that Ariana Grande kind of discovered it. So I'm kind of confusion. Basically, I just wanted to go and discover it for myself. So I'm gonna go into my Starbucks and I'm gonna ask them, hey, can I have a Cloud Macchiato? And hopefully they know what I'm talking about. To me, it just sounds really good. It sounds like it's gonna be very fluffy. I did watch one review. Okay, I don't know why this guy is crossing the freaking street when I'm supposed to go. Like, the light is green, boy. And then I also have my Armani over here accompanying me. Oh my goodness, why is there so much traffic? It's only 1:55. Are you freaking cereal? We are on our way to Starbucks. But yeah, I've only watched one review and they said that it was kind of like how you would describe a cloud. So all I know is that it's going to be fluffy, and when I heard that I was like, oh, I gotta try this for myself. So, and it's also created by Ariana Grande, so I was like, you know what, how freaking cool, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, so right now it is currently 1:57 and I decided to take out Armani with me because I want him to go on a little walk. Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, mi amor. ¿Cómo estás? Give me a kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, Mini. So we're gonna be trying that today. I also want to get him a puppuccino, so you guys will see that. He will get a puppuccino and I will get my Cloud Macchiato. I'm very excited because I haven't had my coffee today, and I also haven't ate either because I've been filming this whole morning. I've been doing like a whole full face first impressions and like a deep talk at the same time, so that should be up very soon. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I'm probably gonna get either a double smoked bacon sandwich or a grilled cheese, but we will see because I'm very hungry, and I'm just gonna have that as a snack because I'm gonna be filming a lot today. So let's go do that. So I finally got the Grande Ice Cinnamon Cloud Macchiato, and it looks really good from what I'm seeing. And I also got a grilled cheese sandwich. I normally am not the one to just get like regular schmegular stuff when I go out to expensive places. Like, Starbucks is pretty expensive. They have very expensive sandwiches, but this one in particular, I tried it once and after that I was addicted, and that's like one of my go-tos that I get at Starbucks. It's not a regular grilled cheese, guys. It is phenomenal. So this is what the actual thing looks like. It's like very cloudy up here and very fluffy, and then here is the actual coffee. So they also have the non-straw cups, so that's really cool. I'm gonna try this real quick. So you just kind of like sip it like this, but I also got a straw. I know I shouldn't have gotten a straw, but I needed to mix them both together. So take a nice juicy look. This is what it looks like before, and now I'm gonna mix it up. Should it even mix?
One hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Yeah, it's mixing up pretty good. And then the top still stays kind of foamy. All right, so let's just, should I try this without the, I kind of want to try it without the straw. I really need to get my car cleaned because it's been a mess, and normally I will freak out if my car is a mess, but I don't know. I just don't know. So this is gonna be my first time trying it. Okay. Whoa, that is actually so fire. This is fire. That's crazy. You know when you take the first sips and like you have to take a lot of sips even though you like it, just to make sure that you like it? This is really good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the straw now. I really do like the fact that they have the no straw cups because, of course, saving the earth, but I had to get a straw so I could mix it up for you guys, so I could give you guys the real deal, the real review. It tastes really good. So even with, I really like it with the straw too, because you can like taste it from the bottom up. That is so freaking good. Yummy. And I'm also gonna be feasting on my grilled cheese. This is just gonna turn into a little Starbucks mukbang. Mmm. So cheesy and so good. Sorry, my love. Mmm. Also, baby, why aren't you staying still? Look at him. He's not staying still at all. He likes people watching. He really likes people watching. Like, he will watch people all day. What's up? You know what I think is so funny? I think it's so funny that people before used to be like, oh my god, don't chew with your mouth open or don't talk with your mouth full. But now everybody wants to watch food ASMRs where you have to kind of talk while you're eating. Mmm. If you guys haven't heard Billy's new song, Wish You Were Gay, you have to go watch it. I'm such a big fan of Billy. Armani likes my cloud drink too, I guess. He was trying to lick it. This is so good right now. Sometimes I daydream while I eat. Sorry, I do that a lot. It has like little caramel chunks in it too. What I'm guessing that this is, it's just a normal macchiato. So it's like half milk, half coffee. That's what I'm guessing. I'm not a barista. They put like some type of foam on the top. I heard that it was like egg white powder that makes it kind of fluff up like that. And then also cinnamon, of course. They have the cinnamon option and then they also have the caramel option. But I guess the one that comes with cinnamon also comes with caramel. I'm not sure, but or maybe they messed up on mine. I'm not sure. And then at the very bottom they do a pump of caramel. So really good. And then I do think that they do like half and half, like a little bit of half and half. I think that that's how you make it. I can easily make this at home, I'm pretty sure, but I don't because it's better at Starbucks. Oh, hey, Armani. Are you chilling? Or are you trying to climb all over me to go look at people? Look at him, he's so nosy. What are you doing, fam? Are you good? Okay, sure. If you fall, I'm going to laugh. He's been such a bad boy, guys. Who else struggles with very crispy edges? Because for me, since I don't have the biggest mouth in the world, it like hurts when I bite down. It has like a very different taste. I don't know what it is. I think it might be the egg white powder. I think it has to be. It's the foam that tastes different. But it doesn't taste fluffy or like cloud-like at all. I just think that the foam kind of makes you think that. I don't know. It doesn't really taste like a cloud. It tastes like a cinnamon macchiato, but with a twist, which is really good. So I'm not even hating on it. It's really good. I'm just trying to figure out what rating I would give it. I think I would give it like an 8 out of 10. Like an 8.5 out of 10. It's not amazing, but it's really good. So I would get this again for sure. Also, I'm not sure how much they charged me for this because Ariana Grande did create this. Oh my gosh, I'm almost gone. That's how you know this is good. Oh, look. My man's is calling. Hello?
Quick question. You're still in the car?
Yeah. I'm filming.
Oh, you're doing it in there. Okay, gotcha. Should I do the title of this?
Wow, so you didn't say hi to them?
Hi.
That was severely rude. Alright, so I finished the sandwich. I already knew that was gonna be super bomb. Oh my goodness. And then I still have half of my drink, but I normally don't really finish my grande drinks. I just kind of like drink it throughout the day. Alright guys. Wow. There's something so different about this drink. I can't put my finger on it, so that's why I keep sipping it. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm actually done. I am never done with drinks ever in like an hour. This is really weird. How am I done with this already? That's kind of crazy. Alright guys, well I am fresh out of my cloud drink. It was really good. Again, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10, and my grilled cheese sandwich. I love it. So yummy. What are you doing, little boy, huh? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? ¿Qué pasó? Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a different video, but I really wanted to try it on camera with you guys because it was just so interesting. You guys know I love Starbucks, and when a new drink comes out, of course, everybody's gonna be curious, and especially when it comes to Ariana Grande. Hello. But let me know if you guys want me to do more reviews like this. Like McDonald's just came out with their new bacon cheese fries, and I actually had those bacon cheese fries 3 years ago back in Mexico, so Mexico is on top of the game. But I guess the US kind of like made it new because it hasn't been here before. And then they also did like the bacon Big Mac, and I think that it would be really fun to try that for you guys on camera too, and in the car, just to make it like very casual and like we're friends over here giving each other food reviews. I don't know, I just think that it's a really fun idea. So let me know if you guys would like that. And also Taco Bell came out with these new Rattlesnake Fries that look so good. If you guys know me, you know that I love fries. I love cheese fries, I love chili cheese fries, anything that has to do with fries I will eat it. So fries and cheese, I'm there. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.